Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how you can share your live location to any of your friends or families by using Facebook Messenger app? So in today's video we will be learning how we can send our live location by the help of Facebook Messenger app. So let's begin. Firstly, you have to find the Messenger app located in your mobile device and open it. And once you have opened the Facebook Messenger app, you can search for your friends or any of the relatives to whom you want to send your live location and just tap on the chat. Once you have opened the chat, you can see a plus button which is located on the bottom left corner of the screen, to which you have to tap it. And you can see an option which has popped up saying location. Just tap on it. You have to allow the location access to the Messenger app in order to send your location. So tap on the allow location access button. So clicking on the blue button at the bottom of the screen will give your live location for 60 minutes, and simply you can tap on the cross which is at the top of the screen. Then you can see the message saying you have started sharing your location for 60 minutes. This is the most simple and easy technique through which you can send your location to any of your chat members. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will be catching you guys in the next video.